And that then fi do. Holy man stretch him. And that then fi do. No go no fight with no cutting tools. Stretching the backside. And making you understand so we talk full of people girl pitney. That me I tell you. Oh. But no TT gonna call girl for beat up Chanel. And that me I tell you. I mean you say Chanel now, Chanel carry me grand pitney them. You get me? Chanel carry 2 grand pitney come give me now go allow it and watch no woman no go call nobody for come beat up Chanel. No go so. Because anybody ramp with Chanel, me go tell you God Almighty truth to not play with me. No go so. So you play with Chanel girl, a problem. And that me I tell you better lift up and go on now. Right now you get my head sick. So if you watch my live TT, know this. Cause me take you up on my live, you know, for talk to you decent no, because you're a young girl. But now you go end up and call people for come hurt Chanel over man. Girl, better lift up and go on. Go on, and I like you have a baby for the man. You don't see so the man a play games. Run. You're young and nice. But if you go hurt Chanel over one man, and me done reason with you already. Me tell her if you come and she don't want to come up here. She said she not come on her life. She call people for hurt Chanel. See there, me a check. See her there. See her there. Me add her.
Who not?
Oh, you say not fight nobody.
The girl see me talk to Tajay and she a disrespect me.
So why you call people for beat up Chanel?
No, them a come for me. I call them, I call me if you come for me because I tell them say me not no money. Nobody, me not call nobody to beat nobody. So whoever tell her that I lie, I come them a come for me. Cause me tell them they come for me. Cause
she a cry. What she do? Well on this, so she join in with Smadils. Hey, tell TT say me call her now, please. Cause up at my place she there, you know. I'm in a business where nobody want to tell her about me. Say me, everybody knows say me. Yeah. Tell TT say me a call her now, please. Tell TT say me a call her. She cut me off for the live. She dip on live. She cut me off. Where she there? Tell TT say me a call her. Live end.
This hour now.
And see them, they talk to them.
Well on them, I talk to TT.
Power, Vanilla.
Go on now, go man. Cause somebody a get broken heart. Somebody heart a break. Somebody heart a break. No matter how somebody heart a get break. TT.
talk to me good on the talk to Tajay.
Sit down. TT. Sit down. Sit down on your bottom. Sit down on my bed. You there on my bed?
Me the what I do sit down come on some breeze.
Where you fan there?
Okay, thank you.
Go sit down side that fan and cock up your foot on my bed.
And breathe out.
And breathe.
Sweet kiss me, can get the money gun, please. Rihanna,
Mika, them a train you, know. You know, so them a train you well. Me not lie. You're par with the best of the best. You're par with the best of the best. They might train you well, you know, no, Mika. Soon and very soon, you know, me I forget rid of you too.
What we do?
Alright, listen me, car. Me did over when me say I call somebody for beat up Chanel, make me get mad, cause me I say no, me
them a call me, then they on me live, right? Listen. Then they on me live. And something. Then they on me live. So when them see what go on, and something, them a call me, ask her what happened, because them a say people in my comment section, I call Chanel name and something. And me tell them, say, don't come over here, come call her name, because nobody feel like me I chat them.
TT, Mika, excuse me.
Jabas, and me come here say no?
No, but you know why you say we don't come, so why you do it?
Me go down there so we talk to Tajay a while ago.
Mommy, are you add me? Me a come up here?
Me go down there for Tajay. When me do him,
Wait, me come on.
And some make him a deal with me, so because
We not live for Jaden, no time. Where Jaden there?
Talk to me, Titi. I can see your
Jaden there.
heart. She hurt bad. Titi, relax a little bit. May I come down, you know? You're not there when I come.
me I go up on me heart first.
So me not left you down. Me not left you out.
The people them down this are wait for me if you come go on me heart because me call them and tell them to come from coming out. And no money.
You don't have money?
So, Dragga did the house party the last
Last
night?
money when me have Dragga say want to me think of something they will take if you go buy food, him go buy rum and cigarette with it.
Are you give Dragga your money?
He say him will give me back. So me expect him to give me back my money.
Titi, you love Dragga?
Me not love nobody but
And
myself.
you want to for your daughter this?
Oh.
No, your sister she give man money.
No, me not give man my money, a man give me money. But at the end of the day, when they say to me, you borrow the money. When they say you borrow the money, me expect you to give me back my money.
About Annie.
Me you when say
No,
I didn't fuck off. A boy running, I running my chat is I running my family. No, she hurt. Me can see it in her eyes. She care
Me not
about
running
him.
no
Me can see it.
family. Him see me on
So
TikTok.
where she hurt, boy, Annie? Where she
Me never
hurt, boy? Where
respond
she
to him
hurt,
text
boy?
you 2 days after.
Yeah, Annie, where she hurt, boy?
Ask her.
Where you hurt, boy, Titi?
Titi, tell him exactly where you hurt about. Titi, tell him where you hurt about. Where you hurt about.
John know.
Alright, me down there talk to Taji. This girl a come disrespect me at time for stop me mother.
And that's your hurt, boy?
She tell me if I stop my mother, you know. I have never disrespect that girl.
So,
Tell her-
something other part you hurt about?
Me never disrespect her, so she not have no right to disrespect me. Taji say me
Let
have
me
to
tell you where
disrespect
you
her, so
hurt.
I don't do that.
Let me tell you where you hurt, boy. Let me tell you where you hurt, boy.
You want to tell her if you tell her?
Me tell her, you hurt 2 things. You hurt because you want to fight her and Dragga. I allow you to lick him. So that burn you because you're upset. Me know people that can't know we want war and ball, you know. No
I love him, but me bad, me ignorant, but so when me can't hold him, me I go.
So me know that's why. So she
Yeah.
get to lick him and say you're
Not
balling.
true.
Yeah.
Look here, you see him, look here, darling. You see him moment you go in a relationship where man having baby man and go in there. Problem I go in that rascal. What's if him man a swing 2 sides? Cause him man a say you and him man a say she. Cause him man not left him baby mother. You don't see it? The boy not left him baby mother. The boy not left him baby mother. And the worst
Me not
baby mother the boy.
be no chabas, come in and run down man, you know.
But you run go there a while ago, so we don't run down.
I must have shadow.
Well,
He 200 run down man. He 200 run down man. Chanel.
Titi,
he come here
Titi.
last night. Me then
Titi, tap show me all of me all stop na my youth.
sleep.
Titi, tap show me all stop na my youth and turn the camera in.
Oh, sorry. Shush. Me not sleep last night. He run come friend me out of my sleep. Kiss me pa my mouth and tell me about how he miss me. When I did.
Are you fall for
Plug
you?
in the phone.
Plug in
Me not fall asleep because
Plug in the phone, girl.
oh, you know what's on my phone I did.
Plug in the phone.
Plug in the phone, Titi. And sit down, look a bit, they just walk up and down your market to money and sell onion.
You just a
Gigi,
stroke
man.
in the honey also.
Eh, and you all
Look,
stop.
click the follow button.
I'm going to show the door when I did it.
Click the follow button, chat.
Yeah, this one is for me.
20K. Click the follow
I
button.
exchange one card me I look.
Yeah, man, and relax, Titi. Sit down. Relax yourself, man. Nice. Nice girl, you know, man. Titi, I choose them attack say now. I know me say it. Me I go tell you who say it. Big finger not tell a lie.
Nobody.
Titi, I choose say on the front teeth. I just asking.
Me so
Yeah,
sorry
try
about that. So who stay over Fred pa my
Dragga
mom?
say you have to put in.
Me don't
Dragga
pay
say you
for
have to
everything
put in
already.
Friday. Dragga say so. I did the panel live when Dragga say so. You hear him.
Hey, Titi,
Me
clear
so
up
fix
that.
that.
Come in now say me see you with teeth in your mouth. You have one
Which
gap
one?
down.
Get the big.
Like, get that
I want gap in away from party mode.
Eh?
Oh, she have a gap.
I know crime, Annie. I know crime, Annie. She meet an
A gap
accident.
she have.
Crime, but when me I say, an accident she meet, I look at an accident cause it.
Oh.
So we don't really
No,
feel
family
but
clip it up. A family clip it. Me remember it type of work I do. And me and
Yeah.
my girl a dance and accident happen. So
yes,
Oh.
and we know that. That's what we know that happened. But listen up.
Oh.
When me I say is that say TT, TT. Big C, you walk and watch man too much. Go in up. That's why somebody knows say today. Look here, TT. Me say this is my tell the baby girl. You hear me?
yeah. Plug in this one.
You have a family, you have a home. The boy not left him baby mother, baby girl. Just pack your things and go down your mother and go chill. Find some time to love yourself and some
Yeah,
time to
I'm
build
up in a house.
yeah, so just go down.
Me live somewhere. I live somewhere.
Taje only want you for sexual pleasure. Taje don't want you. Taje want him baby mother. And it's obvious. If Taje do want you, he just send on him baby mother and you're there so with you know, you go with him baby mother. When the baby mother come feel
Me sit down out I do I use my phone. Me remember when I do my phone.
Hello, play much and come me a big 2 wheel, you know. Me a big 2 wheel. Wait, me a big 2 wheel and people, me see no people over here so me know we call show for me.
People, see the people that text my phone.
Talk on them. You know why you're not talking with them? You're there for years.
They're gonna something, please. Chat. Anybody see a gift me, follow them. At 10.5K, you know, but anybody don't see a gift me, follow them. Do.
Thank you very much.
Listen to me, darling.
It's an extension card and I'm unfunctioning.
Despite you meeting an accident when you're younger.
Plug it out and plug in the other one on this one.
Nothing is that wrong with you. Despite that. Because nobody can stop that. Despite when we get old enough we teeth out
No.
your
Plug this way around this because that's not working.
I what acting I was there?
Alex.
Oh, Alex, up there. Right, I bet you do it, Alex. I bet you do it, Alex.
Jesus, murder.
Hold on.
What about me?
I bet you there with the look like son. Because I bigger one now want you.
Alex, quiet like a lamb. Poor Alex.
Alex,
But
Alex,
nothing is that wrong with this girl, Annie. Nothing wrong with this girl.
Nothing
As much as she
wrong with
have a
her.
teeth side, nothing wrong with her. Girl 6 and the girl look good.
Oh, you mean?
But me don't know what do them. Boy, they fool the fuck.
Alex is smiling part. You know just slow alone.
She cute. Me not lie. She nice looking to me. She shape good everything.
Nothing wrong with
Part
the
I think
girl.
to something.
But they ratted.
Yeah,
Like
you
she
can't
like
know,
a jabber man.
you can't know so she not really laugh at with people.
Alex.
You just slow
Date
alone.
Alex. Here, date Alex and Bunny Hart. Date Alex. Take
Guys,
Alex.
thank you. Thank you, guys.
Alex,
Alex
young.
stay this, so Alex stay this right so with the right now. Yeah, Alex stay it till night come down. When night come down and the place dark up, you know, make romantic sex and do man.
We like to show romantic sex in our house. Better go about with that.
Them been a grind on that anyway, they don't do this.
Who you talk about? Alex, one baby. Come here. One let me see him. One let me see my boy. Hey, Titi. Let me see that Alex.
I'm mother.
Eh?
I can't see you, Titi. Have a camera in
No, bad boy Alex, you hear me, bro?
Yeah.
Lock she. Make them go on with your.
Wanna discuss them, no jabba?
Yeah.
No watch that, man. Press cancel. No watch that. Press cancel. Yo, Alex, lock she. Mama, go wanna be there, fresh up yourself and calm down and go little bit Alex and make Alex. So that's what
Stop it, man. Stop it.
I mean, make Alex fuck your little pussy for you right now and take a stress off your boy. I mean, Alex,